Thutha wa thirikari njeru kuyukia utongoria muthenya wa ira, Akenya oro undu umwe na anyiti itemi sekta-ini itiganite maugite mari na mwihoko munene ati muturire ni ukuhutha na njira itiganite. Anyiti itemi na andu aria mari sekta-ini ya ugendi kaunti ya Kilifi maugite kuumana na thayu uria uronekanire bururi-ini hindi ya kampeini na nginyagia thutha wa githurano no utongoria mweru kuyukia wathani riu mari na mwihoko ati ugendi ni ukwambatira na njira nene mwena ucio.
I think to have a very good season in December with the opening of all the hotels, especially in Malindi, Watamu, were closed during the pandemic time.
Kila mwezi tunafanya usafi mara moja, na hii itasaidia sana kufanya mazingira ya baharini na kuokoa maisha ya viumbe vya baharini.
Muikariri giti wa gikundi giki kia PWAM Kate Mwikali augite gukinyiria riu ni mahotete kurehe hamwe ona anyiti itemi kuma thirikari-ini niguo gutigirira ni mararutithania wira hamwe na muoroto wa gukiria kaunti.
When you come to clean, please share your ideas, tell us what your plans are, and we'll work very closely with you.
Also educating the community the need to recycle and add value to the waste, which we call the circular economy as a whole.
Nawaomba wote wale tushiriki pamoja, Waislamu, wasiokuwa Waislamu, watu wote tuweze kufanya usafi, kwa sababu madhara ya uchafu yakitokea hayahusu dini fulani, yanahusu kila binadamu.
Kumariria gikundi giki kiambiriirie gutheria na makiria mwena wa Malindi ni mahotete na kugitira utonga wa mai-ini na gutigirira iria ritina thukangio na njira yothe.
The government is not going to create jobs on its own. It is us to help it find those opportunities. And I want to urge the youth not to sit back and expect just to get things for free. That wheelbarrow movement is for a window to be an entrepreneur.
For us it's very important because we are recovering to have tourism, more tourism from Europe coming, so they can see that we are beautifying Malindi. It's very important, this collaboration.
Othe aria mari gikundi-ini giki ni mahimbiirie itacokia riri niguo gutigirira ni manyita itemi hari kugitira maria maturigicĩirie. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.